Gonna do a quick, simple review of an Amazon tripod stand for future videos for working on cars. This thing's like $36 plus 10% off on Amazon. Mounts the remote. Thing that holds the phone or camera. I don't know how that opens yet. Maybe I gotta read the little instructions. But anyways, let's just have a review of this thing. Just want to see the quality for people, quick and easy. And see why I need the tripod. Sitting here holding this in my hand. Okay. I wish I could hold this somewhere. I need that tripod right about now. Okay, this is already opening semi-slow. Okay, that's how you do it. Push down from there. Twist this. Hold these claps. Slides up. Honestly, I'd say this thing's good. I'd say you ain't gonna break this thing. Let me open this stuff up quick. Okay, I got this thing set up. So this thing is tilt only. It's got little kind of clamps in there to lock it better. You just twist that beast on there. It's just super solid. And this thing, you gotta squeeze like that. That thing is very strong. That thing will hold a phone for sure. That thing can hold the phone upside down like this, sideways. Then it comes with the remote, with the backup battery. So you program this Bluetooth to your phone, and then you should be able to just click. So, honest review from a person that calls things trash. I would say this thing is legit. For 36 bucks, this is exactly what I needed. Plus they got the 10% off coupon right now. Anyways, sorry for the shaking video. Yeah, just wanted you guys to see what this thing, if it was worth the money, and which one you should buy. And yeah, this one goes up to like 42 or 62 inches. I can't remember. I was looking at two of them, but everybody said that this one is the nice one. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope this helped anybody that was curious on buying a tripod stand for their phone or GoPro. As you twist this off, then it's got a normal camera mounting bracket. All right, see you next time.